going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I know y'all ain't hear my voice in a minute. I hope y'all doing good, but there's a reason being, and this is not an excuse. This is probably a big accomplishment, another big accomplishment for your boy, you feel me? So your boy just got his first apartment. Yeah, congratulations, man. I appreciate y'all. The weather has not been the best. As you can see, the weather is freaking terrible. Like, one day will be good, the next day it's horrible. So content in this weather is iffy. One day is good, one day is not. I'm not trying to be back and forth. Plus, with me trying to furnish the apartment, still go out, have fun, still buy shit for the car. There's a lot, you feel me? So with that being said, things gonna be a little bit more slower, you know what I'm saying? I don't care what people gotta say. It's my bill, my car, however long it take me. Realistically, I just got a car, so I'm not about to just go dump every fucking thing in it. I want to make sure all the maintenance is done properly before we continue to do what we want to do, right? And I'm also conflicted on what to really do, right? Not even what to really do, but what route I want to go. So realistically, I told y'all I want to finish stage 2. Still want to finish it, but cosmetics also been on my mind. I've been really thinking about cosmetics, just to put a little bit on it and then go stage 2. Or just go straight to stage 2 and then cosmetic after, bro. My mind is really in a hard place right now, figuring out what I want to do and which way I want to go. But I don't know. In the comments down below, let me know what y'all think. Finish stage 2, then go cosmetic. Go a little bit cosmetic, stage 2. Either way, we're gonna have fun with the car regardless. For right now, I can enjoy the downpipe and exhaust. It's like what, probably 310, 315-ish around there. We pushing. So I can have fun with that. A little bit of cosmetic to make it look good. Or full send to stage 2, right? And then do cosmetic. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me go over and switch the head mount, bro. I'm tired of holding this game. Hold on. Yeah, bro. It's just good. I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Alright. Together we've grown. I'm telling you, bro. Oh, man. So, now that is all out the way. I missed y'all boys, man. I ain't posting in a minute. I miss recording. This whole moving shit and furniture in the house shit. That's been a whole nother thing. Cause it's like, bro, I want to live comfortable, you feel me? And as much as I want to do car shit, I definitely want to live comfortable first. Definitely want to live comfortable first, man. But your boy is still gonna be active, you feel me? Still gonna be posting a lot. Still gonna be getting shit done. It's just gonna probably be at a slower rate. Because, you know what I'm saying, responsible niggas grow up. Niggas gotta do adult shit, you know what I'm saying? So realistically, if you upset about that I'm doing responsible shit, then I don't know what to tell you, my boy. I really don't know what to tell you. Damn, this road terrible. What the fuck was that? Oh, I'm okay. Oh, man. Don't worry, y'all. I've been driving this shit since this morning, so we go. Woo! Doing this. Oh, man. Alright, y'all, so we just got done at the barbershop, man. Let's go put some gas in our baby. Man, let's go put some gas in our baby. I should even do that. Got this a little bit. Put it in sport mode. sound of this car, bro. Jesus Christ. God damn. Pit roads be terrible, brother. Terrible, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible. But we're definitely gonna go 18s on some meaty setups. Meaty setups. City driving. Niggas just can't drive today, boy. Like all that fucking space and you still back it up. It's crazy. 2 windows should be fine. So I can give y'all a bit of sound. Maybe this should sound a little bit better. Jesus. God damn. Took that corner real smooth though. Took that shit real smooth. Took that shit real smooth. we just put some gas in the baby. Let's go waste it on our way home now. Crazy. Nah, it's all for content. All for content. All for content. Damn, bitch. Bow, 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 bow. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. This damn light, shit. And go. Damn, I low-key wanna pull up beside him. I low-key wanna pull up beside him. Is that? Hey, no, that's what I think it is. M3? Oh, it's an M3. Oh, damn. I rarely see these. I rarely see those. Damn, come on, let me pull up beside him. Let me pull up beside him. M3 chat. Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Don't turn, please don't turn, please don't turn, please don't turn. Is he turning? Nah. Look at that beauty, chat. Nah, he turning. He turning. Oh my God. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of today's content. You feel me? Quick little drive out, nothing too crazy. But at the end of the I don't know who the fuck that is, but yo, either way, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Bear with me as we get these videos out. Waiting for the weather to get nicer so we can actually do more stuff, man. A lot of things is coming. Stay tuned, man. Love y'all.
I just like the sound.